Hello guys, this is Cats and Dogs, your daily dose of happiness. This kitty is looking at a bird who is sitting outside the window. This kitty is getting a face massage and a head massage. How lucky she is! I think this cat's partner wants him to take a bath. This kitty is doing romance with his partner. This kitty is beating her master. This cute kitty is trying to play a game in her computer. This cute kitty is taking a look in the mirror. This kitty was betraying his partner, and his partner caught him red-handed. This kitty is sitting like human beings. I think these cute kitties are dancing. This cute kitty is giving full body massage to his partner.
Ha ha ha. I love you. A fat cat, can I get the fat cat?
I think this cute kitty is tired and is sleeping. If you guys enjoyed the video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and also share the video with your loved ones. See you guys later.